Hey YouTube, um, if you've seen my first video, I unboxed the Virgin Mobile Broadband2Go USB modem, and in this video I am going to be activating and starting up the device, and should be able to get connected to the Sprint network and have mobile broadband. So I'm going to go through the whole activation process. In this video, I've never plugged the device into my computer, so I'm going to do that for the first time right now. So I've plugged it in, and my computer down here is installing the device driver. Okay, autoplay has popped up saying, and apparently it's mounted at like a CD drive, Broadband2Go. So I'm going to install or run this Broadband2Go software. So it's preparing to install video. Okay, so we're going to install Broadband2Go on my computer. Okay. I guess we can create a desktop shortcut. Okay, it has just finished, so I'm going to click Finish, and okay, let's see what it's going to do next. Okay, so the Broadband2Go software has popped up. It says no device detected, but I hear the USB connect and disconnect sound. Okay, so let me actually see what we got to do to activate it. It says I'm supposed to wait for this button to change to activate because my device is not activated. So we'll do that. The remote computer did not respond. Well, I've heard problems of getting it activated, so. And I get the same error message. Well, so no luck activating it. So I guess my only option is to call Virgin Mobile, and so I guess I'm going to have to go call them to get it activated. Okay, I finally got the device activated. It did take a phone call to Virgin Mobile, the customer care. It was pretty easy from there. Just he had me actually uninstall the Broadband2Go software, restart the computer. He activated it from his end, gave me the Broadband2Go account number, which is the MDN number, and the MSID number, and we set up the account over the phone, account PIN and all that. And after that, it was pretty straightforward from there. You know, it worked flawlessly after that. It was about a 25-minute phone call or so, 20-minute or so phone call. But without further ado, I'm going to connect to it and give you an idea of what kind of speeds to expect. So it should connect, and I do have EVDO Rev A, full 4 out of 4 bars. Let's give it a second to connect, and according to my computer down here, it does show a connection there. It just popped up the web browser way too quick on that. That's all it did. So I'm going to test it with Firefox because that's pretty accurate for doing speedtest.net results. So, okay, we're going to speedtest.net. I'm actually nowhere near San Francisco. Ping 176. Okay, so 1.13 megabits per second on the download speed, And the upload speed jumped up there to 0.55, which is pretty much what they advertise. They advertise, which would be 0.60 if you're looking at it this way on the download. They advertise at least 0.60 on the download speed and up to 1.4, so I'm very close at 1.1. And the upload, they actually say 350 to 500, so 0.50, and I'm actually getting a little above average. Ping 176 is not too bad. Let me just try one more server that's actually closer to where I'm actually at. For some reason it thinks I'm out in California. It must be based on this IP address here. Okay. Let's try more closer to Cincinnati. But for some reason it's got me placed out here. So the latency was a bit higher. And I do have 4 bars. So 1.18 megabits per second on the download speed. .18 megabits per second on the upload speed. So a little bit different that time. Anyway, that's what you can expect. I'll go ahead and load a couple pages so you can see just how they do. Okay, let's load Facebook, MySpace. Pretty quick there. I am using AdBlock Plus, so that's why there's an ad missing. That does help speed load. Let's see. Engadget.com, tech blog I read. Load that one up and we'll make that the final one. Still loading, and it's done. Pretty quick. So there's like 4 websites to check it out, and then it shows your bytes in and out. So this would be download, and that would be upload. Or I'm sorry, I have it backwards. Down, pointing down, and up, pointing upload. And as you see, when I'm not using it, it'll actually make the data session go dormant. I don't have anything else running. So that's a quick overview of Virgin Mobile's Broadband2Go. Service works great. I really like the fact that you can pay for it when you need it, when you're going on vacation, when you're going on a trip. It works really, really well, at least on the first try. Activation, a little bit of a trouble, but 1 phone call was all it took. And like I said in the first video, until March 16th, as of this video, 2010, if you enter the promo code extra20 in when you're buying this device on direct from virginmobileusa.com, not Best Buy or anywhere, from virginmobileusa.com, you will get $19.99 discount, making the total $80 plus tax. So for me, it was just under $85 with tax and everything. There was absolutely no shipping, and it was FedEx Ground that shipped it, and it took about 4 days to get. So that's what to expect. Remember, if you like this video, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.